Aliens lidi, mé jméno je Bozy a já vás vítám u Uhní bez dějáků a já vás vítám už druhého dílu ze hry GTA 5 single player a omlouvám se, v minulém díle jsem já jsem se s vámi rozloučil, ale ono tam nebyl ten záznam prostě nějak uložen, tak jsem vám tam dal nějaké vypisky a omlouval jsem se vám, tak jsem vám omlouval tady v tomhle díle, takže tak a my tam jdeme asi na misi. Počkej, tak já tady dám dobrou funkci M-ko a dáme Armenion, Barber. Co to je? To je sko. Jo, Simeon. Budeme za Simeonem. Jinak šlo vidět, že se vám to celkem líbilo, což jsem celkem rád. Já jsem hodně rád, protože GTAčko fakt miluju tuhle hru a když já něco miluju a natáčím to, tak by to mělo být skvělé. Aspoň doufejme. Můj komentář se tam tedy zlepšil než u ostatních let's playů, protože já jsem fakt úplně na tu hru úplně nadržený. Už se na něj zatroubilo. Co to je za favaro tady? Počkej, kam mám jet? No, si tady. Sakra, sorry. Jinak teďka jsem tam dával update, který by měl být online, takže ten vám taky někdy ukážu v nějakém videu. Že se máte na co těšit a my tady jdeme teďka na misi. Tak, jdeme na to. Aha, tady ne. Tak fakt musím dozadu, jako. Tak to se omlouvám. Ok, tak jdeme dozadu a... Uvidíme.
Hey, what's up, Simeon? My dear boy, so good to see you. So good. Hold me. Yeah, look, man. Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right? Which is why I am very honored to announce to you that you are Employee of the Month, huh? Anyway, congratulations. It wasn't easy picking a winner. Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch. Look, man, it's been a real honor, homie. But I gotta move forward in my life. It seems like all I do is let people tell me what to do and I do it and nothing changes. I tell you what, my boy. You tell me exactly what you want and I will very carefully explain to you why it cannot be. What? Today is repossessing vehicles that fools have purchased at exorbitant interest rates. But tomorrow, together, I never had a black son. But if I did, I want him to be just like you.
Knock, nigga.
Hello,
What's up,
Lamar.
What's up, homie? What's up, then, homie?
What's up, dog? Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
You fucking with me, right?
Man, we both being fucked with, dog.
Man, knock it off, man. For real, after all the motherfucking work I put in, man.
Man, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, homie. I'm sitting up here trying
What
to get
you
us...
mean, fuck this Employee of the Month shit, man? When there's some shit to be won, goddammit, I want it. I don't give a fuck what it is. You know what I'm talking about? I take no prisoners. I go hard doing this shit. Big dog, big nuts. When names is on the motherfucking board, I want to see my name at the top of that motherfucking next to it. It needs to say, winner.
Maybe next month, huh?
Man, fuck next month, Simeon. What about today? I demand a retrial.
Today is nothing, just a bike. Hasn't made a payment at all. Some kid at Vespucci Beach. His name is Esteban Jimenez. Is he in a gang? Curiously enough, I did not inquire when he bought the bike.
We got work to do, Employee of the Month.
Man, fuck you and come on.
Man, he's about a yes mouse ass nigga. Let's go to Vespucci. Magellan Ave.
Okay.
And you still rolling with that old raggedy ass?
Go to beach. Okay, beach, jo.
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch.
Počkej, já si vezmu tuhletu káru.
You drive.
A jdem.
Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that S.A. Vargo's dude? With the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck,
Počkej, jsi tak nenačetl, ale jo.
unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
Jo, už.
I don't give a shit. It's a reason Simeon pays a couple
Dobrá, jdem.
looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't
Bullet.
Girl Scout.
Dobrá, tak jdem a jdem přesně kam jdem.
Man,
Okay,
step
okay,
up,
okay.
nigga. Of course this dude real. Who else gonna have an acquired surplus of paper and deficiency of brain cells? He just put a dub.
Dobrá, Lamar tady něco kecá, ale se soustředím na jízdu, jak si to můžete číst.
Fucker must be tricked out, dog.
Ať víte, ať jste v obraze. A jdeme na to, jdeme na nějakou tu počkej, teď jsem to přijel, ale může to tam, a to je jedno.
That's right, homie. Nothing but love, nigga.
Počkej, tu motorku chci, vole. To ani... Ty už nás fotí, ne? Se nás fotí, ty vole. Selfie, vole. Jak krade. Typek je tady nedovolený, ne? Jak fotí, vole, jak se tady v tomhle městě krade. Ty vole, jsem nechtěl, jsem trošku... jsem trošku nechtěl, no. Ok, jdeme. Ty vole. Pojď dá se řídit. Počkej, jdeme tudy a ji máme zaparkovat. Jo. Tak jdeme teď tady někam na nějakou misi. Tak to vypadá, že se budeme něco krást. Děláš si srandu, prostě jediná překážka, co tady je, a on prostě si rozbije o ní hubu. Frankline. Lamar drsnej, vole. Ty, on má hrozně dobrý to, má zelenou ty bejsku, ne, úplně zelený tak si dám asi do zelená trochu. Má hodně dobrý hadry, jo. Pak až si budu si kupovat nějaký hadry, tak si taky koupím nějak něco zeleného. Bejska není špatná.
Hey, look, let's keep it smooth, homie.
Man, your pussy the only thing that's smooth up in this shit.
Man, what exactly did I do in a past life to deserve your
Kočka zase, tyjo. Další.
Do them Vagos?
A to tady nebylo, ne? Myslím na Xboxu a na PS3.
We on the wrong side of this.
Ne, to myslím tady nebylo kočky. Bo jo? Tady přímo na tomhle místě se mi zdá. Motherfuckers? Garáže. Tak jdeme naštívit Goga. No i když Goga už nemá garáž, ale tak to je jedno.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, SA.
We saw you trying to creep up in here, man.
Yeah, you saw this motherfucker?
Oh shit.
Oh shit!
Ty vole.
Vamos.
Tak ty měl na malé Lamar, tyjo, ty už mu střelil palici, ty vole.
I would've just got my ass beat over a fucking gunfight.
Hele, zbraň.
Stop being a pussy nigga and grab that heat.
Já si dám normálně takhle. Takhle si dám třetí osobu.
Find your bitch ass some cover. Shit, on your left.
Ty hajzle jeden.
Motherfuckers got us closed in here. Hey, get the cover over there by the truck. They got me pinned down. Shoot that gas can. Follow me. Let's get through this. Damn, man. Just when I thought this shit was
Ty vole.
You make friends wherever your ass go, nigga.
Zhebni.
up there to the right. You the new kind of hook, mother. You got no.
Pěkný headshot.
Bust his ass.
Tyjo, to vůbec neumím, tyjo.
Running on you. You got other stick.
Dobré,
Get that
ale...
car, homie. Damn. How many they got? Light them niggas up.
Zhebni, ty parchante, jeden hajzle. Jdeme, vole, jdeme.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck away from this shit.
Bereme náboje.
For a bite. And that motherfucker is right there.
Ty vole, skoro jsem ho sejmul.
Let's get it.
We really gonna repo after all this bullshit.
Pojď, jdeme. Máme taky motorku, takže v pohodě. Tady.
Let's get him, homie. I wanna get paid.
Paid ain't worth shit when you doing 25 with an L. We massacred those motherfuckers. Shit.
Tak jdeme. Musíme ho chytit, vole. Máme zbraň, jako sejmeme úplně v pohodě.
That's because he's sitting on 140 cubic inches right there, nigga.
Ty vole, já se už vidím, jak se tady vybourám. Tam je.
Man, you lost him already.
That's a
Asi nedostřelím,
motherfucking
co?
bike you riding, stupid.
We need to shoot him off the bike. Couple of scratches better than nothing.
Pojď. Shit! Tak to byl fail. Jej, Lamare. Stávej, simuluj. Stávej, nesimuluj, jdeme. Musíme ho chytit, vole.
This punk get away, we're going down, homie. He gonna pin us for all these bodies.
And whose fault?
OK, tak jdeme.
You crazy?
Jdeme, teď už ho zabijem,
You was there too? Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did.
Yeah, but you started this shit, stupid.
Pop that fool. We need him on his ass so we can get what we came for.
jdeme.
Time to get that shit up, you no credit motherfucker. Oh
You
shit,
gotta
he
watch
down.
out, fool.
Hajzle, jeden.
Oh, get the bike and meet me at the car wash on Inner.
Bojk bldy.
Be cool, my nigga.
Ty, to je bajka, vole. Jedem. Tady zase Mini Cooper, vole. To je super Mini Cooper. Jedem. Rozvalíme to. Tahle motorka je jedna z nejpomalejších, ale zase je hodně stylová, zase zelená. Moje nejoblíbenější barva. Miluji zelenou, to je fakt. Zrovna tenhle odstín mám rád, zelený. Fakt super. Super. To zvednu, vole, tak. Když tohle se moc zvedat, nevím. Jak jsem letěl, ne, a rozplat se tady ozeň, ne, vole. V tom first person to vypadá hodně dobře. Tak jedu. Když se tady dostal tak rychle ten parchant.
You a psychopath. You done finally fucking lost it.
Nigga, that's that Apache blood in me, homie. You ain't lucky I ain't
Nigga.
flying tomahawk and scalp that motherfucking ass.
We can't repo the assets of a dead man, big sitting cheap asshole.
Nigga, and we ain't going to neither, nigga. I'm gonna keep this motherfucker for myself. Tell Simeon we couldn't recover.
You fucking tell
Si vezme motorku, jde do prdele, vole. To je biznis. OK. Tak, my tam máme zase my tady máme zase to. Další to. Nějaký úkoly. Počkej, tam je nějaký úkol. Nějaký otazníček, nějaký bonus, nějaký bonusový úkol spíš. Takže tam jdem. To se neodmítá. Ty vole, co to je, kurva? Fuj, co to je, vole?
what the fuck is wrong with you, Tiny?
Ain't nothing wrong with me, nigga. Shit.
Well, your ass don't
Tonia, vole, fuj.
Smoking.
To je hodně nechutná.
I mean, you know, I quit. You know what I'm saying? Almost.
Yeah, whatever.
JB, look, JB gonna lose everything. He gonna lose the house. You know what I'm saying? The business, everything. And you his cousin, nigga. You said you was gonna
He
help.
ain't my cousin.
Whatever, if that's how you feel.
What the fuck do I know about towing cars?
Look, it's easy. If JB can do it, you can do it for fuck's sake. Come on, I'ma show you. Come on. Shit.
Alright then. Shit.
Shit, everything.
Hey, look, let's
Tak jdem tady pomoct, madam.
Nigga, you need to
Nějaké
see
ty
what
vole
he
hodně
did.
nechutné, ty
Nisha
vole.
was right.
Z toho bych teda na motorce fakt neseděl. Ale tak co, je to mise, že? Tak ji musíme splnit. Tak jo,
How
jedem.
did I get dragged into this?
We both know you've always been sweet on me. Shit, Franklin Clinton.
Shit, your ass
Franklin
must be high or
Clinton.
something.
I told you, I don't do that shit no more. I mean, I baby doze now and again just for the taste. But I'm doing good, boo. Your eyes don't lie.
Aha.
Whatever you say.
Tady vezmeme nějaký trak.
There's JB's.
OK.
Let's go bring the cha-ching, homie.
Oh. Tak jo, jedem. Že mě fotíš, ty zmrde, vole, jsem nějaká atrakce nebo co? Jdi do prdele s nějakým focením, vole. Kurva.
It's Tanya, fool, and my boy Franklin. We filling in for JB.
Tak jedem. Shit.
A bucket. This one.
Tak jestli tohle nenabourám, ty vole, tak to bude zázrak.
Drag
No, říká. Když tohle vypadá, když narazím 100krát do nějakého nějakého sloupu, tak stejně se s tím nic neudělá, že to je starý křáp tohle. Fakt. Co to je? Hnusná. Kraksna, ty vole, my nemohli dát něco jiného. No tak jedem, no. Vypadá to. Go to the bendu. Aha, tak máme asi černoký auto. OK. Uhni.
Okay, I've seen JB do this 100 times. Back up close. Make sure the hook is down. And it should slide right in.
OK, to vezmem.
Aight, baby. Back it up nice and steady.
Aha, takhle se to dělá.
Okay, we are in, baby. Let's get this back to
Zvednem.
the lot.
Hey, this
Eh.
was not how I saw my day going.
Tak a jdem. Máme majáčky hezky.
So I ain't seen you around the hood.
Euro Truck Simulator 2016, ty vole.
Oh, nigga got
Ne,
air
15.
now.
Vím co ještě za rok.
Before you was a
To ještě
woman,
vím.
you just was.
And I remember you and JB before y'all was dopehead. Shit changes.
You the one all turfed up. JB smoking, but he ain't
Oh.
smoking, homie.
Oh.
He's out here grinding, towing cars.
Tak to jsem dobře vychytal s tím autem, jo. Dobrý.
I could have sworn it was me out here towing cars for him.
Jo, tady typka předjedu, vole. Jedu. Ne, tak on odjel. Škoda.
Okay, we make the drop where they got the area
Oni.
cards. They get real
Oni.
finicky when we don't leave it in the right place.
Říkal jsem uhní. Aha,
All good, Franklin. On
ty
your
vole.
way.
Co dělám?
I'll see you on the block. Anything you need, you holler at me.
Hotovo. Hurá.
Now, where is that fool?
Mr. Pursuit. Pulling fellows. Dobrá. Tak jo lidičky, já už to ukončím. Já děkuji, že jste zhlédli tohle video. Pokud se vám video líbilo, můžete dát like, koment a odběr. Dáte to. Já vám děkuji a čau čau.